Hi, I'm Barry from Meridian Audio. Thanks for coming to join us at ISE 2019. We've got a couple of really cool new products that I'd like to just run you through. So first is the DSP 520.2. So this is the latest and highest performance range of architectural speakers we've made so far. Features a quad amplifier design, so we actually have 2 amplifiers per drive unit, each with their own DAC. We do all of the DSP and the crossover inside the new Class M DSP engine as well. 114 dB at 1 meter with bass extension down to 50 hertz, ideal for LCR applications. You can stack them as well to increase the SPL that you can achieve. So you can actually do 105 dB up to 9.5 meters. So even the largest rooms can be filled with our amazing sound. The final benefit of the new 520.2 is the L plus R mode. So you can use a single loudspeaker under a television as a soundbar. So you can upgrade the audio of any televisions in the client's home with just a single DSP 520.2 under the TV, and use our center channel elevation technology to raise the image of the voice up to the center of the television as well. You can find out more on our website at meridian-audio.com. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.